Oya TVGH.
Repeat it.
Okay.
Enter.
So, good evening.
Good evening.
Let's choose someone else.
Yeah, I read about in your band. What's your name? Okay.
I want to say we now are Shangana. Two of the campus are missing.
Okay, number some confirm answer. Your friend Philip, Minu and your friend this.
We didn't grab them about trying to ball us. They didn't.
Now was out here.
I dancer.
But your in your band, I'll catch you say, oh, 13. Say, only one da. Umbasino. Pay him, hear me as I am. You are paying with you if you are nearby. You're from primary school to invest in fair leader. It's in your ban or failure. I don't know why. You're about to warn. You better confirm me. Protocol. Protocol for what? We don't need. We have the grace. We don't need protocol.
And I'm over pay. Now I'm making a home more.
Ain't in Pacho. You can't confirm it's a sana. So, person in the dance. We are paying one in the first place. My mom warning, yeah, can't I'm not to assume. So, when you now fail now, you're going to lose your certificate. And you know what be a lecturer. You can do it. You can do it, other girls, not our sister.
Oh, it's your sister. I like your sister.
Okay, you have to do it in a nice way, in a good way. Come home and see the parents. When you're about okay, don't come and insult us. You're the enemy. But Ophelia and also we are going to hold you responsible. Okay, you want to lose your certificate? For what reason?
It says for grade now, you can in say
says for grade.
Timona Musuba and Finin and Moody good lectures, Papa and Moas.
Lectures, Papa Benu.
Well, my main cousin Marcon, yes, they be a buyer, and once if you be any mounted here, yeah, Munyam phone him before any ati. Into the year, see a buyer, a berton, na Media, Kakao, Musa, 1 year, but now any publicities on who pay me and not dance and a woman a pass. My name says such a person like you will be to know you is a nipper bitty cell. I'll name the old boy, my co school, not your forward, do mamma, which I do in. I'm so crying, my bin and fast. Let me name the one so baha. Let me name some more. BBC Mobaha, a bromo, Mobaha.
Opening Casa.
Oh no, Manning Casa, because Manning Casa, or be a wako school, a drum pempen, so and an inti yao, Casa. I know Casao. What you have fire so?
Mamma Casa, Sana, why not just say obey? But so when you want, so Twasso, and Masadi, we have we have to report this case before it happens. This is an failure. We are going to find out from the documents. Papers are what you be and about issue.
Because me nima the cronty a papa we no. Oh yes, I know my basa.
Some who cry on the Baba schools.
We are more than 5.
No, they are
Nipa Mako 5 for your school.
Yeah, class on
maybe your homework. To do some homework.
Lecture at your stage now come work it.
Homework.
Men come the class be. What else?
How many ladies are you?
Yeah.
No, don't push me.
What to do? If I push you,
what do you mean by that?
If I push
you don't have manners.
What you do?
You don't have manners.
You can do nothing. nothing.
Don't try that again.
Me, you can't do me
Pushing
nothing.
me for that reason.
If I push you,
You dare not pay my sister.
You can't do
You find
nothing.
yourself in the hospital.
Oh, fuck off.
Fuck what?
Hey, fuck off.
See your English. You don't have manners. Educated elites. You do like this.
Master.
Don't push me again.
Hey, Patrick.
Oh, no.
If I touch you, what will you
Let me tell you something.
What will you do?
You touch me.
Me, I cannot fray any part.
You touch any of us, I sound you.
Any part.
Master.
You touch any of us, I sound you.
You can sound me. If you sound me, I will command you.
Touch and see.
Me, I will
Touch now.
I will challenge you. Do me that. You can't do me nothing.
You gotta be careful.
I will succeed. You do what you do.
Filippo, no.
Stupid boy.
Let's go.
Idiot.
Somebody
Let's go.
Idiot.
Educated illiterate. Let's
Also,
go.
you are too illiterate.
Oh, wow.
Illiterate boy. Motherfucker. Damn you. Fussy boy. Come here. You come and meet me again. Me, I bought to Australia and do my work 999. You want to tell me that I'm educated. You will come here and meet me again. Stupidity. Hippity boys.
Oya TVGH. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.